got milkshake going on. Leaking water. In the new idea. Got fresh blades on it. We were trying that out last night. We were thinking about getting in there.
Nothing. It's not even sealed.
There's got fucking Evil Knievel.
This seal.
That's a rope seal. It's still good. Put a little twine in there. What you do is you put a little twine, soak it in 1040. Put some of that 100-hour oil I brought in. It'll be good.
I put some gear oil in it.
Yeah. Yeah. We're putting the fucking
140.
Putting 140. That'll be good, folks. So here's the problem here. What we got here, folks, is goddamn thing's fucking milkshaked out. Trying to get this fucker back online. Here we go, folks. We're going to. There we go. What we got going here, folks? It's a new idea. He's gonna prep her up here. I think he's gonna put her in another gear. There you go. Yep. See what happens. Evil Knievel. It's a fuck around, folks. It's gonna be a fucking Hail Mary, folks. This is where all the magic comes into place. We got a scouter. They scout for logs and nails and fucking rocks. Because if you take this out, the problem is these are real fragile, folks. So what he's going to do is he's going to come over there and disconnect the safety bar. And then he's going to allow that to flop down. Yep, it runs it. This is a new idea cantilever system. And the cantilever bar is right down there. It's been about 14 hours, folks, been working on this thing to get her back out on the road. See what happens here. We got storms in the background coming. Trying to get hay fucking cut. There's about 52 bales down through here once we get this trimmed out. Going down to a road to a guy that feeds it to his hog. There you go, it's down, it's bowing. That's on the hillside, that's why. Alright, folks. This is where all the magic happens, right here. Let's go. They bullshit more than anything, folks. They don't get much done during the weekend. I only really get to work about 3 hours in the weekend. The rest of the time is research and development and repairs. How to fix something that's already been designed. All right, folks, it's down on the skid pad. And now he's moving. There you go. It's live. There you go. It's cutting. Ooh, it's working really good. Look at you go to work, folks. It's a new idea, folks. It's actually an old idea. That's what they call a new idea. It's been going around for a while. Seems like they got a couple problems here they're trying to work out. It's running good, folks. Bar's not getting hot or anything. That's a brand new sickle bar there, folks. Bought it right on the old interweb. We got fresh lube in the lower unit box. It was leaking. We put a little bit of sickle spackle and it works fine. There you go. It's cutting good now. Working good. It's going to work, folks. Running the skidder mount. Hell yeah! Oh, it just went right through that beer can, folks. Alright, now you gotta negotiate around this down creek. We normally go around and clear these, but our ranch hands haven't been getting paid, so they don't do that anymore. That's how we operate, folks. We'll just go around objects. Oh! There you go, it's working good. It's cutting really nice. There you go. Oh yeah. It's cutting good. Loose, this is where it's going to happen. Right, back up. Well, got it all balled up. That's why it's too tall. So our R&D testing tune. He's going through the back. What's going on, folks? Here he's going a little too fast. Back all the way up. This is what we're going to be using, folks, on the 300-acre hayfield. Just trying to get her testing tuned. He went a little fast. It combed it over and all. Have to do some minor minute checks. There you go. Comb it back. That's in the comb position, folks. If you go slow, it will cut. Gotta go slower than that. Half of it ain't cut. Wait. Guy's going too fast. Gotta go slower than that. Hey, that's already way up. Alright, folks, what happened here, he's a little fast, so what's laying there is what it is. The rest of it's wasted. That's how we roll. Cutting good. Careful. God damn, he about got in that fucking tree. There you go, folks. Sickle bar comes up. We're gonna have to come back and bale this afternoon. Maybe do it tonight once it dries up. It's a little wet. There you go, folks. It's a new idea being pulled with the John Deere 50. with brand new sicklers on it. Working good. It's gonna be slow and tedious. It's gonna be slow and tedious.
So quick, well, problem is you already cut some of that, so